So today I want to talk about the Haynes Techbook manual that gives you all of the maintenance information on the common diesel engines you're going to find in SHTF. Now this Haynes Techbook, item number 10330, this covers all the older diesel engines for General Motors and Ford. So this one is going to cover the General Motors 5.7, 6.2, and 6.5 liter diesel motors. And for Ford, it's going to cover the 6.9 liter and most importantly, the 7.3 Super Duty for the Power Stroke. This book gives you the maintenance and repair information for these very common diesel motors that you're going to encounter. So you can buy this one used textbook and it'll give you all the info you need to maintain these engines. The only exception to this is going to be if you're working on military Hummers or Humvees and they have modified General Motors engines in them. So these are going to be all 12-volt motors, and the military will use 24-volt, but the maintenance and repair steps will be the same. It's just you'll have 24-volt components, and the way the engine sits in there will be different. So you can use this also as a basis for maintaining Humvees. So as before with Haynes Techbooks, you have a lot of photographic and diagrammatic information you can use to maintain and repair the sub-assemblies of these vehicles. Now in my case, I do a lot more work on Ford diesel engines than I do GM, but this book is good for both. And one of the most important aspects of diesel engines people don't ever really look at is when they change from high sulfur to low sulfur mixtures, they also change the oil that you use at the different temperature levels. So it's really important if you get something in, or you buy something, or you forage or scavenge something that you're not familiar with, these books tell you the type of oil to use in the different versions of these motors. And as you can see here, the model years, there's quite a bit of difference in the weight of oils you use in these diesel vehicles. That's going to be critical to the lifespan of these motors. So keep that in mind. Also, looking at different types of coolant is important. And of course, this goes through filter change intervals, and it's really good information to have. So please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.